Guys, it's Joey and welcome to my channel. I am so sorry I did not get this up before today, and so I am just going to go with this. We are doing a plan with me for this past week in my erincondren daily duo A5 size, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get started. I am doing a plan with me using this kit from Pink Planner Shop, and it is so cute. It is one of her fall kits that she has that she ran a big special on her shop where she had like 15 or 16 different fall kits that you could get for a really great price. And so they're sized for a vertical planner, but I am making it work in my A5 daily. And so I am just right now, I cut down the thick washi that you would normally have along the bottom of your erincondren life planner, and I've just cut it in half, and so I'm able to use that on 4 of the days. And then there's also additional washi that she includes in her kits, and so I will be putting that on the other days. Once I get finished putting down the washi on top of all of the days, then I'm going to come back in and put down the date headers. And I have different dates on my actual pages, so I have to redate each one of them. So it doesn't really matter anyways since I'm putting down date headers. So anyways, after I get done putting down the date headers, then I'm going to go back in and start laying down more of the base. I am coming back in with this clear washi tape that has gold bows. It's not really foiled. It just, it kind of gives the illusion of it being foiled, but it's not. But anyways, I'm putting that down on each of the washi tapes at the top. Okay, as you can see, I'm finishing up my headers for the days, and now I'm going to come back in and put these little, they're sort of a 1" by 1" square over each one of the calendars that they have at the top of every single daily page. It drives me crazy. So anyways, I do cover these up every single day, mostly just because it's the wrong date anyways. The month is not correct since I'm using the October through December of 2022. And anyway, so I'm covering each one of those up. I do run out, there's only like 6 of those squares, and so I do have to put the same size, but it's a rectangle on the last day, on Sundays. And then once I do that, I come back in and I put down my top 3 sticker for each day of the week as well. Here I'm just putting down the washi strips that I use to separate out my top from my to-dos, and then I also put in one towards, I guess the lower, like 2/3 of the way down of my to-do list, so I can have a section for home. And then once I get finished putting down all of my headers, then I'm going to go back in and put down some full boxes. The full boxes in this kit are so cute, and I love the colors in it so much. It's giving me all the fall vibes. The checklists in her kit really do go very well with all of the lines that are in the to-dos. It really does kind of match up with every single one of the lines. I was really surprised at how it does that. Where the to-dos stop with the sticker from the kit, if I'm making sense, I don't even know. But where the sticker stops is pretty much where I will put the next header so that I can have that section below it for my home. As you can see, I'm just putting down some of the deco that comes with the kit. I'm just placing it at the bottom of the checklist sticker and then right there where the header starts for my home. I love this double box that comes with the kit, but it is way too long and I decided that I wanted to cut it down. So I did take some off the top as well as some off the bottom, and then I placed it on, I believe it was my Saturday, and I then also put a double box. Well, it's 2 boxes, full boxes, but they make one picture on Sunday as well. Since my weekends are really, they're busy, but they're not like, I don't need anything at the bottom for that. And I'm just gonna fill up that space with those adorable full boxes. So yeah, and I did forget my, my headers for Sunday. So I'm going back in to put them down first, and then I'll put down my full boxes. Okay, now I'm coming back in and I am putting down all of my plans for the week. I have tons of stickers that come in this kit for half boxes, quarter boxes, 1.5 boxes. I'm not quite sure how to describe that, but anyways, there are a ton of boxes that come with this kit, and so I pretty much write out all my plans and place my stickers down on the correct days that they go on. see that I'm placing down the weekend banner. I'm pretty much done with the planning for this week, and I really like the way that this week turned out. I'm just kind of flipping through, putting my pages back inside. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. That helps out my channel. And if you are not yet subscribed but you enjoy my content, then I invite you to hit the subscribe button below. I hope you guys have a great week. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.